See, we are doing some word problems of linear equation in two variables. Now here let us try to see. It's given 5 chairs and 4 tables cost rupees 2200 and 3 chairs and 2 tables cost rupees 1200. Find the cost of 1 chair and 1 table. That means the unknown variable is the cost of 1 chair. So let the cost of 1 chair be, so I am just putting on a solution mode, cost of 1 chair be x. 1 chair x rupees x and cost of 1 table b rupees y. Now see what will happen. Cost of 5 chair, that means 5 into cost of 1 chair 5x plus cost of 4 table 4 into y, and that is equal to 2200. Now same way cost of 3 chairs, so 1 chair is x, so 3 chair cost will be 3x rupees and 2 table will be 2y rupees, and that is equal to 1200. Now we have to eliminate. Now let us see, if I multiply this by 2, the whole equation, this will be 4y, and then we can eliminate. So first thing is that I multiply this by this equation by 2, so it is 2 3s are 6x plus 4y is equal to 2400. Then I put 5x plus 4y is equal to 2200. Then I subtract. Then what will happen? This goes, 6x minus 5x is x. X is equal to 200. When x is equal to 200, I place the value of x in one of the equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 1200. So I put x is equal to 200 here. 3 to the 600 plus 2y is equal to 1200. So y will be equal to 1200 minus 600 by 2, that is y will be equal to 300. So that means the cost of 1 chair will be rupees 200, and cost of one table will be, cost of 1 chair rupees 200, and this will be rupees 300. So let us go to the next question now. Next question we are going to do, I'll just rub off the board over here to get some board space. Now same thing over here. Normally these questions also, some of these questions will be of the same type. Now this is also almost the same. A man had gone to buy some birds, 50 birds, some hens and some ducks. So let he bought x hens. Let he bought x hens. Let he bought x hens. X hens and y ducks. And y ducks. Now cost of one hen is how much? Cost of one hen is 50. So that means cost of x hen will be 50x plus cost of y ducks will be 40y, and that is equal to how much is it given? 2300. Now we also know that x plus y, that means the number of hens and the duck is how much? 50. So x plus y is equal to 50. So y is equal to 50 minus x. So I put the value of y here. So 50x plus 40 into 50 minus x is equal to 2300. See, this time I use the substitution method. So whatever is applicable you can use. So 50x plus 2000 minus 40x is equal to 2300. Now this is 10x is equal to 2300 minus 2000. That means x will be equal to 300 by 10, that is x is equal to 30. So he bought 30 hens, and since the sum is 50, number of birds sum is 50, so 30 plus 20 is 50. So same way now we proceed to the next question. We go here, the third question, let us see. The third question, what is that? Very fast we will do. Find two numbers. So unknown numbers are, there are two numbers. So let the numbers be x and y. So such that sum of twice the first and thrice the second is 92. Also according to the question, 4 times the first exceeds 7 times the second by 2. Now I will multiply this by 2 to eliminate x. So 2 2s are 4x plus 3 2s are 6y is equal to 184. Now here it is 4x minus 7y is equal to 2. Now I subtract, so this is plus, so 7 and 6 13y is equal to 186, y is equal to 186 by 13. Let us see. Okay, this will be minus, isn't it? This will be minus, so it will be 182. So 13 ones are 13 and 13 fours are. So we get y is equal to 14. Now 2x plus 3 into 14 is equal to 92. So 2x is equal to 1492 minus 14 into 3. So 42. So 2x is equal to 92 minus, so this is 50 by 2, that means 25. So x is 25 and y is 14. So the last sum now we do. So did you understand this? Twice the first and thrice the second sum up to 92, and 4 times the first exceeds 7 times by 2. So when 4 times exceeds, so I subtract, then the result is 2. Now I go to the last question, which is also very nice. The fourth question. The difference between two numbers is 14. So x minus y is equal to 14, and the difference between the square is 448. Now what to do? I can split it and write x minus y. I can use the formula here. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So now the x minus y is 14. So x plus y is equal to 448 by 14. And now 32. So x plus y is 32 and x minus y is 14. So I just subtract these two equations. So what will happen? 2x is equal to, so x is equal to how much? 23. And if x is equal to 23, then y will be equal to, now we know that x plus y is equal to, here see, x plus y is 32. That means y will be equal to 32 minus 23. So that is how much? 9, and so this is 9, 32. So y is 9. So we got this. So this is all to be done here. Thank you very much.